Double leg takedown. There are two types of double legs. The first one is the one where we do not engage with the partner. We drop our level, measure the distance, make sure that the penetration step is as deep as possible between your partner's legs. Outside leg comes up, and you use a lot of leverage to cut the corner and take your partner down. The next double leg is actually the one that you have a chance to engage with your opponent. So the judo grips are in place. As now in a very short and fast move, you snap your partner up the elbows. Good posture, leg up, finishing the double leg cut in the corner again. Very important to use your neck always against your partner's ribs to increase the leverage of the takedown.